2 months ago, I bought this headphones, which is from a brand named Noise, and I got to say, it is really nice. Okay, let's start with the unboxing. The unboxing experience was pretty mediocre, nothing too much, nothing extraordinary. So I opened the box, and the first thing that we are greeted with is some sample, a very thick box or something like that. The packaging was kind of insane on this thing, and I got some extra earbuds as well, if I remember correctly. I don't know, I'm not looking at the clip, I'm just doing voiceover, so I'm just doing a guesswork, okay? So I might be wrong, and I think they do include a lot of things. There are some earphones brand out there that don't give you anything, just the earbuds, but they have been really generous and they have given us quite a lot, like extra earbuds, customizable earbuds is just really cherry on the top for this brand, because we'll get to the voice quality just in a bit, but that has been the unboxing experience and I think it was amazing. Let's come back to the main topic, why you should buy it, or why you should consider buying it, or should you buy it, or why did I buy it. So the reason I bought this is because I'm a very casual music listener, or very casual earphone users. I usually prefer to use my phone speaker. They are amazing. I've got S20 FE. That phone is absolutely beast. Even the camera quality for the price is amazing. And as you guessed it, a 40,000 phone, nowadays 35, does not give you the option of having headphone jack. My phone does not have any kind of headphone jack that I can use with my wired earphones. So they have become absolutely crap. I cannot literally use them. I cannot insert them with brute force to my USB port and somehow they will work magically. Sadly, that's not the case. So no brainer, I had to buy wireless earphones. What earphones should I buy? And how much I was willing to pay. Now, that is a very subjective thing. Some people might pay a lot of money. I have bought this for 1500 rupees INR. Okay, that is basically $20, and for that price, I think they do give you what you asked for that price, because not only they look really compact, have a look at the earphones in detail. So up close it looks really good. So the finish that it has got is not glossy, apparently it is a matte finish. It has got some gloss over it, but trust me, it is a matte finish as far as I know, and it is really prone to scratches in spite of being a matte finish, because it has got some that glowing finish over it in spite of being matte. So it's not like very glossy. If you compare this with the AirPods that you get, I think it's the generation 1 AirPod that has got a glossy finish over it, and that is really prone to scratches. However, this thing over here has got a semi-matte finish, so it's not going to be that prone to scratches, but yes, it can get scratches. And up close you can see there is a not very seamless line over here, so you can easily distinguish between this cap of the case and the body of the case, so that's a bummer. But up front it looks fine. It's just the thing that you get over the back here, not a big deal to me honestly, and it's really compact. The reason I bought this over other headphones is because I really like the compact look of it. It looks absolutely amazing. Also, it has got some indicator over here. There are 4 dots here which are going to indicate the battery of it. So now we can just take a look at the headphone itself or the earphones. You can see inside there is some dirty text, like why would they ruin the look, but I guess nobody's gonna see inside over there. It's not that big of a deal. And I have also customized my earphones, and also if you look, I have switched them to this blue ear caps because it matches with my phone's back. So that is a good thing that they have included that. And also about closing and opening of this thing, it can be done with your one finger, like one hand, no problem at all, no issues over there. And it's really tactile, feels good, though it has got less tactile over the course of past 2 months, so something to keep an eye upon. But if I remove this, this is the headphones we get here up close. looks good. It takes around approximately, from my experience, 2 hours to charge completely, which is fine. Like, I just keep it on charging and then I forget, and it's charged, and then it lasts around, for me personally, more than 1 week, sometimes even 2 weeks, because I have got a very less usage. I use around 1 hour every day, so it has got pretty good battery life for a case that is so compact. Really beautiful. I love them. So, what do you think? I think look-wise, amazing. Now, let's come back to the noise quality. So, the voice quality, or the way they sound, is quite impressive. I am definitely a person who has always in my life used a wired earphone. So, without having any prior experience to any sort of wireless earphones, they do sound amazing, but not as good as any Schneider headphones that I have got. And of course, you gotta pay extra to get the good sound quality of a wired earphones that will offer you the same sound quality for the price of around 1000 or rupees 800. So you have to pay that extra 400 to 500 just to get that wired, just to remove that wired function and have a wireless earphones in your pocket. But I think for the price and compared to the other competitors that I have done research about, they sound really nice. Amazing. Okay, now let's talk about the cons. Me as a casual user, I am just concerned with the noise quality and how compatible they are and how compact they are, that I can easily carry them and travel with them. That's the only thing I wanted from them, and they deliver on those two things. But talking about the latency in this, so it has got a decent latency. I would say around 1 second to 1.2. It feels like 1.2 seconds latency is there in this earphones. So if you're watching, or if you're a heavy gamer, or some kind of a person who watches a lot of YouTube, this latency will bother you. I personally don't watch a lot of YouTube on this earphones. I watch them usually with my headphones on computer, or I just watch them on speaker. But that latency is really driving me crazy sometimes when I'm using them with YouTube. As far as Spotify and other things is concerned, you're only concerned with the voice quality and you don't care about latency, because how the heck you will notice latency if there's no video playback along with the noise? Now, how beautifully do they connect to your phone? I feel like they connect immediately once they are paired with your phone. All you have to do is just remove them from the cover, and they will instantly connect to your phone if your Bluetooth is on, and it will also give you this nice drum sound on both the ears, indicating that they are connected to your phone, and they work really beautifully. Haven't noticed any kind of problem with them. I think overall they are amazing earbuds, and I would rate them around 7.5 to 8 for their price. Now, there are not many earphones out there that will give you 9 or even like anything close to 10. So I think that is a good score according to me, and I think you should totally buy them if your budget is 1500. Now, some people may say it's really expensive, or I want a cheaper alternative, but if you really have a phone that does not have any headphone jack, I think you should be able to buy something that costs around 1500, because if you go any price below 1500, I think the quality that you're going to get is going to be trash, or it must be compromised in some or the other way. This is like very ideal, very normal usage kind of thing. This is perfect. Don't go with any cheaper is my suggestion to you, and 1500 is not that big of a deal if you are just going to save that money. What is the conclusion? Should you guys buy it or not? All the requirements that I told you, that you are a very casual listener, you don't care about latency, so it's after all, in the end, it's your decision what you are going to buy. But except those cons, I think the pros outweighs the cons very easily, and I do recommend them if your budget is around 1500 and you want something really cool looking and something that is very beautiful. That was very nice. Thanks for watching.